Hi, and welcome to the kitchen of Lindy Says. I'm Lindy. Today we're going to make a delicious peach cobbler. With a biscuit-like crust that is so easy to make in your food processor and fresh peaches, summer is the perfect time to enjoy this dessert. We start by peeling our peaches. Put an X on the top and put a pot of simmering water next to an ice bath. Put the peaches in the simmering water for about 30 seconds until the skin becomes easy to peel. Then remove it to the ice bath. Let it sit until those peaches are cool enough to handle, and then peel the skins off. The skins should come off easily with just your fingers. Once you've removed all the skins, slice the peaches and mix with the spices and lemon juice and thickener. Put in a 8x8 square glass dish, and while that's baking, make your crust. It's a simple food processor, boiling water, biscuit-like crust that you're going to just dollop over the top of the cobbler. Put it back in your 425-degree oven and cook for about 25 minutes. The crust will spread and deliver a delicious peach cobbler to have with some fresh ice cream or some whipped cream. That's easy peach cobbler. You can find this recipe and more at lindysays.com. Enjoy.